even reality has changed a lot.
True.
I mean, when you talk about doing a show unscripted, but also excited because I thought the concept was really fun. So definitely, a marriage is of mutual respect.
We have Sonali ma'am with us. So firstly, big congratulations.
Thank you.
कितना excitement है. When you learned about this project was always yes because you have done judging part. Now this time hosting.
Yeah, that bit was a bit of a stress that I haven't really done hosting and to anchor a whole show and kind of hold it together. Of course, with Munawar. Was really like I was a little worried that am I going to be able to pull this off? That's going to it's so.
Yeah.
Also, even reality has changed a lot.
True.
I mean, when you talk about doing a show unscripted, it is very unscripted, and I was like, when you sit as a judge, you're talking in relation to a performance that you're seeing.
True.
So you're watching it and you are going to talk about it.
True.
So I'm okay with it. But here you are, there's so much happening, and then you're kind of, in pushing it towards the side or pulling it back from somewhere. So that bit was a bit of a like, will I be able to do it? I was a little worried about it, but also excited because I thought the concept was really fun.
True.
I mean, who doesn't have, pangas in your life? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And so, like, yeah. The one thing that I asked the channel when they came to me with it was that do you believe in the institution of marriage, or what is this panga going to be about? And I was like, yeah, of course we do.
Yeah.
And I'm like, yeah, because I do believe in this institution. So yeah.
Ma'am, I want to know from your side how you want to describe marriage because आजकल marriage को काफी अलग-अलग way में describe किया जाता
Oh
है.
really? कैसे describe किया जाता है?
Even in relationship are described in a modern relationship अगर बात करें तो
हाँ.
benching हो गया, situationship हो गया. When you are in relationship but you're not
Situationship मैं समझ रही हूँ.
benching
क्या हुआ?
मतलब you are dating someone but आपके साथ एक और कोई रहता है, third person is there who is like on hold.
What?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I need to ask my son these terms. Give me some more terms now.
Then there is
Today when I go
ghosting
home, I
also.
say, so what? Are you benching someone? What if I ask my son that? He's going to be like, will he think his mom is cool?
There is a ghosting also where keep chatting and all. Then अगर आपको पसंद नहीं आ रहा, then you गायब हो जाओ, फिर से वापस आ जाओ, With the time you come and go.
Yeah. But I thought ghosting was about when you don't reply. Somebody sends you a message and you leave them. Oh, that's leaving them red. Okay. I'm getting there. I'll get there.
How you want to describe marriage then or relationship?
My God, I don't have any of these fancy new young terms for it. For me, marriage is very much a age-old institution. But I think the fun about marriage is the fact that it's an institution which you've seen your parents in, your grandparents in, and you've seen so many of these people in marriages, and yet every marriage is unique.
True.
And it's something that I think takes constant working on. I think marriage is, in a realistic way, it's something, it is beautiful if you keep working at it.
True.
You cannot be complacent about it.
Yeah.
You have to keep working at it.
Yeah.
You have to keep working to keep the relationship in a great state,
Yeah.
to keep it healthy.
So what one mantra you want to give to all the youngsters? आजकल हम देख रहे हैं कि दोनों ही couple working होते हैं, दोनों के पास time नहीं होता है,
Yeah.
but ego clashes भी आ जाते हैं at the same point. What is that one mantra for everyone?
No, definitely a marriage is of mutual respect, because the partners, if you cannot respect the partner and if your partner doesn't respect you, it's not a healthy marriage.
True.
So a marriage for me is a marriage of equals, where both of them respect each other. Now अब ये equality का definition बहुत आजकल change हो जाता है. मेरे हिसाब से सबकी अपने अपने एक साइड होती है जो उनका डोमिनेंट साइड होता है, या उनका एडवांटेज होता है, या उनका प्लस पॉइंट होता है. तो मुझे लगता है कि मैरिज इज लाइक अ पार्टनरशिप, जहाँ पे अब मुझे मालूम है कि मेरे पति की ये ग्रेट साइड्स हैं, या दीज आर हिज प्लस पॉइंट्स, एंड दोज आर नॉट माय प्लसेस. So I will always let him lead in those matters. And जो मेरे plus है, he will always let me lead in those matters.
True.
So it's not about a man or a woman, but I think it is about respecting कि किसमें कौन सी चीजें उनकी ज्यादा बेहतर है और कौन सी मेरी. Just understanding that fact and then being in a partnership where दोनों का फायदा तब होता है जब आप अपने बेस्ट चीजों के साथ खेलो और वो अपने बेस्ट चीजों के
True.
साथ खेलो.
True.
So to get those two things together, then the partnership works. So
Yes.
identifying and understanding, and saying that okay, I'm good at this, so I will handle this, and I'm good at that, so I will handle that. Equality in that sense is important.
शो की बात किया जाए तो जब कंटेस्टेंट हमने देखे तो काफी हमें मिक्स कंटेस्टेंट देखने को
जी.
मिले. नो सुदेश जी का 40 years of
Really,
relationship.
grandparents हैं.
Yes. Even अगर अविका की बात किया जाए तो रिसेंटली शी गॉट एंग्री.
Right, yeah.
हर एक एज ग्रुप एक साथ
जी.
आया है. क्या आपके लिए भी एक लर्निंग होगा हर एक ग्रुप को देखकर, हर एक लव स्टोरी को देखकर?
Of course है. And not just इसलिए मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी कि सिर्फ क्योंकि सुदेश जी की 40 साल हो गए शादी हुई है. I mean that's a amazing
Yeah.
thing, when you look at it and how do they make it work. It's a learning, but it is also a learning when I look at Abhika and Milind कि वो कैसे एक दूसरे के साथ है. मिलिंद उसको किस तरह से हैंडल करता है. अगेन उसमें ईगोज नहीं है इनके बीच में कि मिलिंद को पता है कि ये इसका वीक पॉइंट है और मेरा अच्छा है तो मैं कर लूंगा इस चीज को. उसमें वो ये नहीं ईगो नहीं बना लेता है उस बात को कि आई एम अ मैन, व्हाई शुड आई डू इट. So that is what I mean by partnership. कि किसका जो गुड पॉइंट है वो पार्टनर्स के लिए it should be good. It should work for them as a unit. Yeah.
लास्टली मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी वी ऑलवेज लव योर फैशन स्टाइल. कितना इस बार एक्सपेरिमेंट करने वाले हो ये शो में?
I think I am in sarees. और मुझे लगता है कि I love sarees. Especially मुझे तो लिनन की साड़ियाँ बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. But I really feel कि साड़ी से ज्यादा graceful drape नहीं है. और जिस हिसाब से आप हर एक रेंज एक साड़ी में दिखा सकते हो. यू कैन बी फ्रॉम बीइंग वेरी विद इट एंड सेक्सी एंड ग्लैमरस टू बीइंग एब्सोल्युटली मैं पूजा पे जा रही हूँ काइंड ऑफ अ जोन. हर एक सेक्शन जो भी आप देखो वो आप साड़ी में दिखा सकते हो. सो आई थिंक आई वांट टू ट्राई आउट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ साड़ीज. But you never know. I'm thinking about it. क्योंकि I enjoy it and I think अभी I enjoy being. I think also that there is how do I put it without it sounding bad? But everything has. I'm happy at the age that I'm at.
Yeah.
I never want to not acknowledge that because I think I've really lived my life.
Yeah.
And I love the experience I have because of it. And I think as you age, it should be celebrated and not said ki, oh my God, I'm growing older. I think I'm so happy. Yes, I'm growing older. I've experienced so much. So I enjoy that fact. And I want to celebrate that. Yeah.
You're doing very well on OTT also. We are loving your all OTT web shows also.
Thank you.
What's next then?
There's something called the NDA. So yes, when the time is right and when I'm allowed to speak about it, I will definitely speak about it. But all I can say is something that I'm very excited about.
Thank you so much for giving your precious time and all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Pati
Patni aur Panga.
Thank you.
2nd August से 9:30 बजे शनिवार रविवार कलर्स पर.
Thank you.